Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you how to install Adobe Fonts into your Photoshop. First of all, in order to do this, in order to be able to do this, you have to open your browser and in Google search tab, you're searching Adobe Fonts, okay? And the first result, it's appearing. And in the first search result, as you can see, it says Adobe Fonts. We're clicking this. And first of all, we are gonna explore a little bit the site, what it looks like. And as we scroll down, we see browse the fonts like this. But at the top, we have the search bar, and we can say brush, for example, and say search. For example, I wanna install the ATF brush to the family. And for example, I wanna activate the font, which is like this one, Brush ATF Lite. Okay, you click on this tab, and as you can see now, it's activated. Font activation successfully. You click OK, and then you continue. Now, if we are open Adobe Photoshop, let's see what's happening. Brush ATF Lite. Don't forget this font that you activated recently. Okay, and now I'm creating a new file, a custom one, for example. And here I'm gonna type something from type. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more fonts like this. I'm gonna do another color. Red is okay. And I'm gonna find my fonts ATF Brush Lite recently, which we activated from Adobe Cloud. Simple. The sample is here. As you can see, we just activated the fonts from Adobe site. Let's activate another one from this site. Let's have quick one, for example, type. Let's say type. And which one is this? View the family. Typestar OCR Pro Regular. Let's activate this one. Don't show this again. And we say OK. And this box will not be appearing again once we want to activate another font in the future. Typestar OCR Pro Regular. Let's see if this one is activated also. Typestar OCR Regular. Yes, it's activated. The second sample is here. I'm gonna bring side by side in order to see what it looks like. As you can see, we activated this one, Typestar OCR Pro Regular, and this is our output from Photoshop. And that was the video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to help me for future videos. Thanks for watching me and see you in my next video. Bye bye.